This morning, I did a little reconnaissance mission with Matt to the bottom of the Kilburn Slide. We plan on hiking that later this week, so now we at least know where it is. That's where our slide is, right there. A little bit of white. Somehow we found it.
Oh my god, dude, there's so much water running under there.
Yeah.
Can you hear that?
Yeah, I hear it. Let's go. Not gonna see our tracks. No tracks. We're just about at the start of our bushwhack, probably 3/4 of a mile in. Took us about 20 minutes to get here from the Highway 86 car park from Monument Falls. And the wind is whipping up there, the higher elevations. It's so easy. 40 minutes, like less than 40 minutes in the car. Oh, Matt, you got anything to say before you die?
Well, some people would ask, why the fuck are we out here?
That's why.
That's what I got to say.
The first pitch, because fuck that. man, I gave myself some fucking ice. Snack time.
This episode of the Humble Hobo Kitchen.
Well, in a lot of ways, that was a success, I suppose.
Yeah.
Kilburn Slide. Oh. Kilburn Slide in the bag. Tune in next week for more fucking shenanigans. Tune in next week for more shenanigans. I'm gonna warm up. I am fucking wet. Oh! Soaked through.